Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Fiat 500X headlight bulb. First, make sure your car is turned off and the engine is cool. You'll need a new headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer. Always handle the new bulb by its base to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the glass. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight unit. You might see a plastic cover or some clips that need to be removed to gain access. Carefully unclip or unscrew these components. This step reveals the bulb housing, allowing you to proceed with the replacement. Take your time to avoid breaking any plastic tabs. With access clear, it's time to remove the old bulb. First, gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. Next, you'll need to unclip or twist the retaining spring or collar that holds the bulb in place. Once released, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. Remember to note its orientation for the new bulb. Finally, let's install the new bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's correctly seated and aligned. Secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting it into place. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Before reassembling everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb works. Once confirmed, replace any covers or clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.